To drive your tractors, you have to make all the parts running. That's why Lonmar are here to provide you with the most competitive tractor repair supports and solutions. Based on Ruian, China region since 2007, we offer nearly 8,500 parts in aftermarket from most leading tractor brands in the world, such as John Deere, Massey Ferguson, Kubota, Fiat, Ford New Holland, etc. With warehouse over 3,000 square meters, Lonmar wholesales and stores more than 4,200 parts. We make efforts in realizing one-step service chain starting from your connecting, ordering, production following up, labeling, packaging to transportation. Professionalism is in every step of quality control system, from the perfection of product specification, management in the approved ISO manufacturing facilities, to the accomplishment of final quality testing. All the parts undergo the same procedures to ensure you the most reliable quality. Innovation keeps us increasing constantly in various products and helps our clients grow the business. Find the parts you need here and make the parts you will need in the future. Parts is not the only thing we provide to our clients, but also the team with integrity and dedication. Our vision is to be your first choice for your tractor needs. We take it as our priority and carry through in everything we do. Lonmar makes your parts running.